If I could be an animal, I would like to be a dog, because I know that they're very obedient animals and they're very clever, but they're loving and they're playful, and I think they probably have a lovely life.
If I were an animal, I think I'd have to be a sloth because I'm very lazy and I love sleeping.
If I was an animal, I would be a cat. I would love to curl up on a carpet in front of a log fire.
So if I could be an animal, I think I'd be a squirrel, just because I like their bushy tails and everyone gives them food.
If I were to be an animal, I would probably be a bird, because I don't like staying in one spot for too long, and I like to see all different places.
If I was an animal, I would be an eagle.